It's glow up time! Hello everybody! I just woke up. I don't know if you can tell. Oh my god. I literally just rolled out of bed. Anyways, I'm going to do something very exciting, and that is I'm going to escape all my problems for a month in Bali. Yay! I'm going all by myself, which is crazy because I've never traveled alone. So I hope that's gonna go well. But yeah, before I get in the plane, I just wanted to give myself a little glow up, okay? Because I want to look as good as possible when I'm there, but I also want to put as little effort in it as possible. I definitely do not feel like doing my hair and my glam like every morning in Bali. Like, that's not what I'm gonna do there. I'm gonna chill in a hammock. I'm gonna go to waterfalls. I'm gonna drink a cocktail on the beach. And I don't want to do my makeup. So today I'm going to give myself a semi-permanent makeup glow up. You know what I mean? Like, I'm gonna do the stuff that stays there for a while. So okay, let me just put something on. The first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to get my lashes done. Ooh, lashes. I'm not gonna get lash extensions, but I'm gonna get a lash lift, and they're gonna dye my lashes too. And I think it's gonna make a world of difference because I have actually very long lashes. I mean, they are a little bit shorter now because I might have ruined them a little bit. Okay, see how long they are? Pablo's being crazy. Pablo? Okay, let's talk like this, then we can see Pablo. My lashes, they just stick out straight. It's very annoying. So I feel like if I'm gonna get a lash lift, that's gonna honestly make like a world of difference. And supposedly a lash lift lasts for like 5 weeks. So that means the entire time when I'm in Bali, I do not have to look at my lashes again. And I love to see that. So yeah, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna get my lashes done. Which I've never done, by the way. I've never got a lash lift professionally. I've tried it myself, didn't work out. So I'm very excited about this one. Hey, I'm back. I've been doing YouTube for years, but there's still this thing in me that I'm always so fucking uncomfortable to film something in like real life, to film something that is not in my room. I was planning on like filming the entire process, but that's just something I'm just like, oh, it's I don't know, I get so shy and so nervous, and I'm just like too afraid to ask if I can film it. I don't know. But yeah, anyways, my lashes are done and it's actually insane. Like, if you see the difference, like, I cannot believe that these are my real lashes. Like, are you kidding me? These are so long. Look at that. That's all me. That is my own hair growth. Isn't that insane? Isn't that insane? First thing is done. On to the second thing. Ooh, that's some harsh light, boy. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, this lighting is still a little bit insane, but we're just gonna roll with it, okay? Next thing I'm gonna do is my eyebrows. Oh, I'm going to do the thing that I said you shouldn't do, and that is I'm going to pluck the living shit out of them. Because as you probably know, these aren't my actual eyebrows. My eyebrows are way thicker. Thick boy, but I kind of like shaved half of them off. But the thing is that I now get like stubbles super fast. Like, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's like underneath here, especially on this, like the inner part. And it's pretty annoying. I mean, I don't really mind it if I'm like sitting at home, but I don't want to shave my eyebrows like every day while I'm on vacation. So I got my trusty waxing kit. So I'm just going to use this to wax my brows. And after that, I'm going to dye my brows. This lighting is so bad. I'm sorry you have to look at this. I'm so sorry. I have to be so careful with this because I obviously don't want to like wax the wrong hairs off. Okay. Okay. Oh! Whoa! Whoa, that works so good! I don't think you're gonna be able to see it, but like that literally worked so good. That's sick! Oh! Ooh! Ow! Ooh! Ooh! Brow hairs gone. So now it's time to go to the next step, and the next step is dyeing them! Mixy mixy! Look how beautiful! So I'm just gonna let these develop for like 10 to 15 minutes and then I'm gonna take it off again. It's so easy. It's so easy. It's a lot easier than dyeing my hair. I mean, that's for sure. Ernie is back. Or Bert. Who is the one with the eyebrow? Hey, Bert. Okay, Bert. I'm pretty sure Ernie doesn't even have eyebrows. Anyways, let's remove the dye. It is very green though. Kind of a weird color, to be honest. I'm not sure if I like this color actually. What? They look so much thicker and the color is like green. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it for now. I'll check back in tomorrow. Okay, it is the next day and it's time for activity number 2, 3, 4, I don't know why I keep count, it doesn't really matter. Time for the next activity and it is doing my nails. Also, firstly I have to take a shower because I just worked out, so I am actually like very gross and sweaty right now. But yeah, I'm gonna do my nails. I'm gonna let someone else do my nails because yeah, that is the current state. Oh my god, look at this. This time I should have listened to you and actually wore gloves because this is actually insane. This has been on my nails for 3 days already and I can't get it off. Biggie, 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 can't you see? Okay, I need to speed things up because I'm literally leaving in a few days and there are so many things I need to do and I do not have enough time. So, for the next day, oh by the way, look at my nails. Cute! The nail salon that I go to, I like them, but they also just like, they just don't have the right colors. Like every color is just a little bit off for me. So I got these, but I think they're like, I think they're too pink. I wanted them to be more of like a beigey color, like very natural. But these are like baby pink. And that's not really my vibe. So I'm not too happy. I mean, I'm happy with the... Pokey is drinking her water. Since I'm in a hurry, the next step that I'm gonna do is gonna be 3 in 1 basically. I'm going to paint my toenails, I'm going to give myself some freckles, and I'm going to whiten my teeth. So what I'm gonna use for the freckles is tanning foam. Ooh. Yeah, this is just fake tan, and no, it's not gonna last for like 30 days, but it's gonna last for a few days, and I just want to look cute for a little bit, you know. What I'm gonna do is just like squirt it on a little palette, and then I'm going to draw on some freckles with these 2 beautiful tools, and I think I'm also gonna contour my face a little bit with it. Because that's literally literally what you can do. You can literally put it like on your cheeks, and then you have like semi-permanent contour. I know, this world is wild. So yeah, let's get started. You gotta make sure that you do it right though, because it is like semi-permanent. I feel like it's not... I feel like the soften is looking a little bit crazy today. It looks very green. I don't know why. Because normally it's not green. Is there an expiration date on self-tan? Because the last time I used it, it definitely wasn't this green. This is not going as planned, but okay, let me just continue on the freckles. Oh my god, I look crazy. Uh-oh. I don't know if this is gonna look good. I should have probably not done the contour on my cheeks because, oh my god, the contour looks so bad. The contour looks really bad, but the freckles are kind of cute. I think these are like a nice design. I don't know. I'm trying really hard to like this, but I think I did a terrible job. So I'm gonna use one of these little teeth whitening strips. Honestly, I don't think that these actually work. But you know, placebo effect is a real thing, so maybe my teeth will turn white anyways. Okay. Okay, so next thing is these chompers. So I'm just gonna give myself like a little gel nail polish moment, because I do have like a nail oven and I have gel nail polish. You know what I'll never understand? People with a foot fetish. Like, I honestly just really do not get the appeal of feet. And I also don't understand how people with a foot fetish are so comfortable with talking about it right now. Like, when did we agree that it was okay to openly talk about your fetish? Like, I'm sorry, I just don't want to hear it. Like, I don't want to receive any sexual messages, but let alone about my feet. I don't like that. But I get them more than you would think. Okay, nails are done. Oh, they don't look perfect honestly, but they're good enough. So what I'm going to do is take this off. Don't these look whiter? I think I'm just gonna add some nail art to my nails because I just think they're too boring. They're too pink. They need some black. So I'm just gonna try and create something. Look, I did such a good job at my nails. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself. It's so cute. It's so much better now. So there is only one thing left to do, and that is I'm gonna give myself some diamonds on my teeth again. So I have like a little kit and like stuff. I got some tooth gems and like I mean, you can watch the other video to see how I did it, but I'm just gonna do it again. So I only have 4 left of all the ones that I bought last time. And these are like 2 hearts and then 2 just regular round gems. I think I'm just gonna start with 1 and then see from there if I'm gonna go overboard or not. And then I'm gonna cure the glue by using UV. I'm gonna do a small one on this tooth. Oh, pretty. Hey! Look how ready I look for my 1 month vacation in Bali. Backpack and all, boy. Shit. Yeah, it took a little time and a little effort, but I look so much better right now. The only thing I put on was like a little bit of concealer and a tiny bit of lipstick, but that's all. Everything else is all natural. I think that Freckles look hella cute, and I kind of want to bring these self-tan with me so I can like reapply them. But I don't know, maybe I already have to carry a lot of stuff, so maybe I shouldn't bring like an entire bottle of self-tan with me. The lashes are definitely the best part of this entire look. Like, I cannot believe that this is the first time I got a lash lift. I mean, it makes such a big difference. It looks like I had a good night of sleep, even though I didn't sleep at all. So, love that for me. And this was today's video. My plane leaves tomorrow. I'm very excited. But by the way, when you see this video, I'm already in Bali. I'm pretty sure I've been in Bali for like 3 weeks when you see this video. So yeah, hopefully I'm still alive when you see this. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Kiss kiss, bye bye, ciao ciao. Kiss kiss, bye bye, ciao ciao.